Hi, welcome to this quick video about the MOT history inside workshop software. So if I pull up a vehicle in the system, what I can do is if I click on the star, you've got the MOT history. And so when you click on the MOT history, this will go off and make a call and bring back all of the history for this particular vehicle. So you can see whether it's passed or failed, and obviously the timing and that sort of thing. And so what we can do is you can click on the down arrow here and it's got, so the advisories and minor sort of stuff. Maybe this fail, for example, will give you the information about what was failed. So this is a really great way of you getting more business and making sure that, the safety of the vehicle and various other pieces of information. This is super valuable information inside workshop software. This is all included in the DVLA lookup that we have inside workshop software. So you can refresh it if you've already done a DVLA, so you can click here and do a refresh. It tells you when it was last updated. You can go and refresh it as well, but this is all included in the DVLA lookup.